8 p.m. in India. Let's respect time. Let's start. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are sitting right now. Hello, everyone. I'm audible. Please confirm once.
Audible, sir.
No, audible.
Good evening.
Yes. I'm able to see so many new smiling faces on my laptop screen. First of all, congratulations to everyone. Why congratulations? Because you are not just sitting in class today. You made a big decision. Decision to learn, decision to invest in yourself. Many people think about learning, about investment, but they think I will do from tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow. But you guys have decided to do it today, right? So you are different. You have separated yourself from the crowd. You are unique. And now, even you are not a student, you are in a journey of network engineer, right? Your mobile phone, clothes, parties, everything can get old, but your knowledge never gets old, right? And you have invested in yourself to learn the technology, which is the most important or powerful field in today's time. It is so powerful. If you are going to learn it, you will have something significant in your hand. So you all are on a new journey, and this journey can transform your career, can change your life. Arun, check. I think few guys have not received the link. They are calling here. Arun, am I audible to you? Check if
Hello.
anyone is missing. Yeah.
Sure.
Check in the WhatsApp. Someone is calling me here.
Okay.
So guys, that's why I said you are special. That's why I said congratulations, right? So today agenda of this session, today's session is to understand the objective, what is objective of our this program, the combo course, and how we can achieve this objective. And after that, we'll see the basic introduction of network. But before I start, some questions are coming in my mind. Let me settle these questions first so that I can focus on content. And if you guys also have some question, let's settle that first. And we will be meeting live for next 3 to 4 months now, right, from Monday to Friday. So the first question which is coming in my mind is, where are you guys from? Let me see from where people are joining our courses. Either you can type your city name in the chat, or just you can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Hello everyone, I'm from the other side of the world. I'm from Argentina.
Okay. Bangalore, okay. Odisha, Delhi. Gaurav,
Sir, Gaurav from Delhi.
Kal. Are you from the previous batch?
Actually, sir, I was part of that morning weekend CCNA batch, no?
Okay. So you have transferred.
So
That's why I got it.
I joined this combo batch then.
We had conversation earlier, right, in that batch as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ahmedabad,
Sir, I am Yadunandana from Hyderabad, sir.
Hyderabad, okay. Germany, Chennai, Odisha. So understand
Hello,
the
my
power
name
of
is Prince
technology.
from Nigeria.
Okay. We are so fortunate. We are living in an era where we can connect from anywhere. How it's possible? It's possible just because of network. I have told this in many of my live session, in many webinar, in many videos. This is power of technology. So understand the power of technology, and you are going to learn the same technology. As everything is practical, you don't need to remember anything here. Everything is practical. You need to learn it and practice it. And networking is all about practice. It's just 20% learning and 80% practice. We'll talk more about the agenda and how we'll achieve the objective. Don't worry. Anything else? Anyone else have any question before starting this course?
Are you recording, teacher, the lessons?
Sorry, sir.
If you will record the
Yeah,
lessons,
we'll record each and every session, and just after 10 minutes of live class, you will be receiving the recording. After today class, you will receive the complete study materials as well. We'll also guide you for the labs, where you will perform lab, how you will perform lab, right? Everything. We are here. You have invested so that someone can guide you properly, so that they can give you one structure way of learning the technology, right? So we are always available 24/7. At least one member is available in your WhatsApp group. You all are the part of WhatsApp group. Is there anyone who have not joined the WhatsApp group till now? No. So we are always available in the WhatsApp group. Whether you are performing lab in the night time and you stuck somewhere, no problem. Just put your query in the WhatsApp group. Someone will be replying you. If we feel I need to connect with you, I will send the meeting link and we'll connect in one-to-one meeting to solve your query. Right now, no one can stop you to get hands-on. No one can stop you to learn the technology. But see, I am expecting if you have invested, that means you all are serious, passionate, and dedicated to learn the technology. If you are the interested, right? See, just consider me, your trainer, as a helping tool. Like, he is going to help me to learn the technology, to master the technology. But I have to learn by myself only. Trainer will be explaining the complex topics every day in the class, but after the class, I have to practice it by myself. I want you all should have a remarkable improvement in your technical skill after this training program. If more than 90% are going to tell me in the again meeting that Praphul, yes, now I am able to measure a remarkable improvement in my technical skill just because of your training, that will be my success, brother. Otherwise, it will be like the entire 3-month program will be the failure for us. Will fail, right? So I am ready to give my 10%, 100%, 200%. At least if you will give your 50%, then also you can find a remarkable improvement in your technical skill. But every day, joining live classes, participating in the Q&A in the WhatsApp group, you will be receiving questions after every topics, labs, and your live classes, recording, books, and sometime I will ask you question through shorts video on YouTube. Many of you are my follower, right? Already watching videos on YouTube, and you know, many times I'm asking question through videos, through shorts. Those all shorts are for the students of live classes only. Others are also getting benefit, but the people who have completed training from us are responding properly in each and every short video. They are sharing their answer. And now from today, you guys have to also share your answer. In just few days, I will start knowing you all with your name, right? If it is possible, just turn on your camera as well. Let me see. Let's interact. Before starting the session, let's interact with each other. Let's know each other, so that even you will be more comfortable to stop me during the class. If any topic is not clear to me, you can stop me. Hey Praful, just wait a minute. This is not clear to me. Just repeat it once again. I want you all should be very familiar with me as well, and I also want to know all of you. And whenever from today you are going to share your answer in the comment section of any video, will give priority there, right? And I'll be checking your answer. Sometime we'll ask you question in your WhatsApp group, sometime on social media platform, and every time we will be looking for your answer everywhere. And I'm expecting you will be sharing your answer. And this way only, until and unless you will not participate in the Q&A, you cannot learn. See guys, we are going to learn the technology. If you want to become the world best network engineer, the best network engineer, you have to participate in the Q&A, in the class also, and on social media also, and in your WhatsApp group also. And whenever someone is asking question in the WhatsApp group, our close WhatsApp group, that is not social media, we all are like-minded people there. Only like-minded, all are working professional. How many of you are working professional? Just type yes in the chat if you are the working professional. Only 1 to 2 people, very less percentage of people are fresher, otherwise all are working professional. Yes. We are like-minded, we all are belongs to same industry, we all are working as a network engineer, but someone is struggling in the career, someone is, maybe few people are just planning to enter in the industry. So when other is asking question in the WhatsApp group, it's your responsibility to share your answer if you know the answer. And at the same time, when you will ask question in the closed WhatsApp community, other will share answer. If you guys will not share answer, then I will share answer, my answer. If I will talk about myself, by the way, many of you already know me, but my name is Praphul Mishra. You can call me Praphul. I have been working in this industry, networking industry, for last 10 years. I have worked on various technologies like your routing, switching, WAN technologies, SD-WAN, firewall, and again on different firewalls. ASA firewall, FortiGate firewall, Checkpoint firewall, Palo Alto firewall. First, I am a network engineer. I can give you the real-time scenarios, my real-time experience. I have experience on core technologies. Whatever experience I am counting in my professional career, all belongs to the core networking company. The core network experience on enterprise network, service provider network, data center network, in the security part, in the SDN part. Our training is even practical. My 100+ real-time scenarios are there, which we will be talking in the class. At each and every topic, I am going to share my real-time troubleshooting skills. What was the issue I had faced in that production, and then how I have fixed it. If you are going to implement it in your career, later if you will implement something, mention something from that experience in your resume, it will help you to get more calls. And when you will be in front of interviewer, it will help you to clear your interview. Doesn't matter you are working in core networking company or related company, or maybe someone is telecom engineer or system engineer, but I want you all should behave like a network engineer from today. I have already told you, from today you are on a journey which can transform your career, which can change your life. But guys, investing money is not the all investment. Now let me tell you about your second investment. By investing money, you have proven that yes, I'm different, I'm serious, I'm ready to start from today. I will not start from tomorrow, I will not do it from tomorrow, let's do it from today. But now the second investment is your valuable time. How much time, Praful? From Monday to Thursday, 2 hours for live classes. You cannot skip it. If someone is working in rotational shift, no problem at all. If sometime you are not able to join the live classes, make sure you will watch the recording before next class. And if there was any lab in the recording, you will perform that lab as well. First thing about the live class. means 4 days, 8 hours per week for live classes. Apart from this 8 hours, I need your 5 more hours per week for practice. What to practice, Praful? Don't worry, I will tell you what you need to practice. After each and every topic, we will assign you one task. Task means one small project. After each module, a complete network configuration. Like let's suppose after switching module, you will have one lab where you are going to configure all the switching protocol. After routing protocol, again same. After another module, again same. And at the end of the training, you will have one lab of enterprise network, the complete enterprise network, where we will have some sites, few data center, few headquarters, all will be connected together through multiple transport, and there you need to implement all about your past 3-month learning, all protocols. 5 hours per week for practice, 8 hours per week for live classes. That's it, guys, nothing else. Only 2 investments are required. One you have already done. Second, hope you all will invest your time as well. And after 3 months, trust me, you will have something significant in your hand. Even in your hand, that is your knowledge. If you are moving from place A to place B, your knowledge will also move. Knowledge always gets experience. As your knowledge is getting older, it is getting more valuable. Right? So you will have something in your hand where you can use it. You can use it to work in the industry, to grow your career in the industry. If you have dream to get the certificate, you can use it to pass CCNA or CCNP in core NRC exam. Then it will help you to learn the modern technologies, any other technologies. If you have the good foundation in your hand and everything is clear and crystal to you, you know, you can learn the modern technologies by yourself as well, like SD-WAN. Even you don't need training. If again you will have training, you will get a structured roadmap. So we also want that after your CCNA, CCNP, take 6 month time, 1 year time, then again invest your money, again to us only for SD-WAN. Again take some time, again invest your money at PM networking, learn firewall. Let's build a strong relationship with each other. I am also like-minded people, similar like you, working in your industry only, and ready to help you guys. I'm ready to give my 100% to deliver the world best networking training. If you are going to put X, I will put my 10X to make you understand the technologies. And if the CCNA, CCNP will be beneficial for you, then only you are going to learn SD-WAN from us. Only you are going to learn other technologies, firewall, cloud, any technology from us. And if this training program will help you to grow your professional career, trust me, that is our success. I know many of you have enrolled here by suggestion, by recommendation. Your friend has earlier completed training from me, and now he is getting benefit in their career, and he has suggested you to enroll at PM networking and master the technology. Or maybe you are my follower watching my videos on YouTube. If you are watching my videos on YouTube, follower, that's great, guys. That means you are already comfortable with language. You are very comfortable with them, because after watching my videos, you have decided to invest, to learn from Praphul. In the class also, it will be helpful for you to understand the concepts. Right? So we always got enrollment from 2 places, from YouTube and from the recommendation, from the suggestion. From the suggestion, most of the people, right, our 60 to 70% enrollments are getting from the suggestion. So trust me, we are here to help you at every step. You will not get stuck in next 3 months, and even not only in next 3 months. The WhatsApp group will be for lifetime. No one is going to delete it. Even we want you to in our community for your entire life. Let's talk, let's see in future what is happening, right? Let's measure your improvement after 5 years, after 10 years as well, just to identify, check the training was beneficial or not, helpful or not. And if it will be helpful for you, you will also suggest to others, right? So I am already a network engineer. Apart from my main job, right, I am network engineer by my profession, but apart from my job, I am also a founder of a private limited company. Side by side, I am doing training like this through Google Meeting, sometimes Zoom, the online training. I'm also a YouTuber making videos on YouTube. Some videos are available publicly, some are available for members. Most of the videos are available for members on YouTube. But complete course, CCNA, CCNP complete course is not available on the YouTube, and even I cannot upload everything on YouTube there, right? So this is all about me. Soon I am going to talk about the program as well. But before that, I want to know you guys. It will help me to understand from where I should start. Below CCNA, from the CCNA. Let me understand you first. One by one, guys, tell me about yourself. I will start from the Vamsi Krishna. And Vamsi Krishna, I think you are also the CCNA student from the morning batch. I already know you. The next one is, let's see, Asis. You had completed ST-WAN course. Pradeep. Pradeep, am I audible to you? Pradeep Sohotra. Pradeep Sohotra, am I audible to you? What happened? Am I audible? Your materials on YouTube is simple, amazing. Just brother, this program where we have connected right now is my everything. YouTube is nothing. Trust me. Just meet live for at least 1 week first and then see. Pradeep, am I audible to you? Pradeep, you can't speak. Samir, Abdul. Yes, Pradeep.
Yes. Okay.
Who's this? Pradeep?
This is Abdul.
Okay, Pradeep is not audible, right? So, Abdul, let's start from you. Sir, tell me the answer of two questions. Why you
Okay.
have decided to learn CCNA and NP? Where it is going to help you? What is your goal? Right? Maybe to pass the exam, I need certificate, or I am working but lacking in the basic concepts or in the routing or in the switching, right? I want to master the enterprise network, right? So first question, answer to this question means why behind your
Yeah,
learning. And
I
second,
want an CCNP because I need to done the certificate. I need to do the certificate and I need to do the master in enterprise network. That's why
and what do you do now?
I'm working. I have 10 plus experience.
10 plus
But
years of
CCNA,
experience.
yeah, CCNA I have done the certificate, but CCNP I need to do.
So in
That's why.
past 10 years you couldn't learn NP?
Yeah, I don't have that time.
Hmm. And
Get
where
that
do you
correct.
work?
Yeah,
Where do you work?
I work in HCL
SCL
and
Noida?
in Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. At which position, job role?
Network engineer.
Network engineer. And what do you do there?
I do like monitoring tools and work for P1, P2 tickets.
Which
like
tools
that.
you are using?
Like
Service
service
Jira.
service now
Okay. Service now. Okay.
and
P1, P2 ticketing, right?
yeah, SolarWind service now like that tools.
Okay. And the second question is, sir, why you have chosen the PM networking only? This is my
So
personal
I
question, by the
have
way.
seen more videos to your videos, and I have got knowledge about that. It is it's simply learning, and they can able to understand easily networking concepts. That's why I prefer that to join this course.
Thank you so much for sharing, brother. Thank you so much, and congratulations on this new journey.
Thank
Definitely,
you.
I will try my best
Yeah.
to fulfill your requirement. John, John, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay, great. So, I am basically a veteran uh, in the industry. I have 20 plus years of experience, and but I am into services, and I work with a multinational company. Later, I'll tell the name because and I work as a SA. So
Okay,
and I just want to learn more of networking, and so I have my acquaintance is to you via Facebook. So I follow your videos. It's pretty good. And basically, when I looked at the campus to campus connectivity, the OSPF layer, and all those inter-campus networking, that is the one which got me more into this particular course. So I was looking at more of fast track course, but it's since I have attention deficit, I thought I'll go little by little, 2 hours by 2 hours. So I work for an MNC basically, and they are into networking basically. They deal with networking products. So though they have courses and trainings, I've chosen this, so I thought I'll get a better.
great,
They have
great,
they
definitely.
have three networking products basically. They are master in the after Cisco. It's you can guess after Cisco they are one of the masters in networking right now. Can you guess which company it is after Cisco?
Juniper,
Yes.
whenever senior person, share the feedback regarding my video, actually that motivate me always to work hard, to make more videos, and to deliver the best training in through
Basically,
class.
it's not Juniper. Basically, our company acquired Juniper recently, so it's basically Aruba, Juniper, 3Com, all those things. So HPE, I work for HPE.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
we have lots of enterprise cloud. So we don't encourage people to go on cloud. We have on-premise.
okay.
So when you have on-premises, there's lots of networking involved in it.
Even no company has fully shifted their infrastructure on cloud. Like everyone is in the hybrid environment, hybrid setup. More than
Yeah,
90%
but
company has
we
the
we
hybrid
don't want
setup.
anybody to be even in hybrid. So we want people. So all our customers are like the finance, pharma, federal, banking, all those because they want their data to be secure. So
Correct,
that's
correct,
okay.
correct.
We can go to the next. Nice. It's I hope that usually what my problem is I don't complete the courses whichever I go online. So I thought the 2 hours course will help me. Am I clear?
Yeah, yeah, you
When
are clear, very clear.
right. So I'm from Bangalore.
Okay, great, great, sir.
So that's the whole thing. So I'm my role is more an EA role or a principal architect. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see.
Sir, sometime I will also learn from your experience, okay, in the class,
Hopefully.
right? And you have to also guide me somewhere, like
Right.
based on your experience. So we learn from each other, guys, right?
Yes.
Everyone has unique experience, right? So it is not like I am only going to deliver. Whenever I am talking about any topic and you have used that in your life, in the industry, so you should always share that. It will be helpful for others as well, for me as well, right? And when I will learn something new, I'm going to help lakhs of people through my social media platform. As you know, I'm making already videos, right? So you are helping
So,
to so many people.
yeah. So one thing I realized in the industry is, networking does not go out of fashion. So one thing is there actually.
That is not possible. Yes, sir.
That networking, if you are going in the sector actually, in the infra and
Sir, it's time of
networking,
technology.
yeah, right. It
And
doesn't go out of action. So
all
that's what I
technologies
was.
are running over network only, right? So definitely, network engineer will be always required, always and
Yeah,
always.
right.
Even,
So I have in fact learned NSX and VCF and all those things. So still you do all those. You again go into the BGP and L2 over L3, L3 over L2, connectivity, those kind of things. Again, you are stuck there. So then I thought, yeah, networking is important. So how
it's
much
very
our
important.
SDN and all those things comes into picture? Your basic networking is very important.
Exactly. True. Agree. Agree. When computer comes at that time, people was saying it will replace the job, right? But what happened? Computer after computer creates jobs, so many jobs. Nowadays, some people are saying AI will replace the job of network engineer or cloud will replace the job of network engineer. If as a network engineer you are not going to learn AI and cloud integration, if it is in use in your industry, then you can be replaced by someone who have learned it, right? But network engineer will be always there. No one can replace it. AI, cloud, automation, machine learning, right? Whatever upcoming technologies are even there, all are based on network only. So thank you so much, John, for sharing your experience
Yeah,
and joining here at PM Networking.
thank you.
It's really glad for me.
I'm privileged, so let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, Aswin, I'm audible to you. Aswin, Prince.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Are you
Aswin.
there? Yeah, so I'm also from Bangalore.
Okay,
So I used to work as a desktop support engineer.
okay. Want to shift your career in
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
IP.
I'm planning to switch out to networking and much more advanced career so that I can gain more experience. So I have seen your videos in YouTube and I was very comfortable with it. That's why I chose PM networking.
And do you have knowledge about the Active Directory and the domain controller, those all things?
The basic, I have knowledge of those things, basic only, not
Domain networks.
advanced. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
As a system engineer or desktop engineer, actually, we work on these technologies. There are two types of network, work group and controller group. Okay, it will
Yeah.
help you. Your experience will even help you a lot to learn the networking, right? Like
Yeah.
if I will compare from the fresher with you, so you will have benefit of your existing knowledge or experience.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
don't worry, we will learn from the scratch only zero, and then also you all will be allowed to speak. So if anything will be not clear to you, you can stop me. But make sure you will not learn CCNA and NP again in your career. This is the last time and maybe your first time when you are learning it. Because nothing is there to remember. Everything
Mm-hmm.
is practical. We need to learn. If you will learn it, you will never forget it. All are practical. Learn and practice. That's it. After that, you like someone said earlier, I did CCNA and I forget. That means that time they have just remember it. So this time we are not going to remember anything, the complex theory and those all things. We'll understand and then we'll perform the lab, we'll practice. Right? In future, I want you to learn other technologies, not NA or NP again in your entire career in maybe next 20 to 30 years. Thank you so much, Aswin, for sharing and joining PM Networking.
Um,
And thanks.
Praful, just one quick question. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, sir.
how since I'm taking the CCNA, see, our domains are basically on this, as I mentioned, uh, Juniper and the Aruba. Will the concepts remain the same, or
Sir,
how?
technology is always same,
Okay.
right? Only the command, the way of configuring is different,
Right.
right? How much time it will take? 1 day, 2 days hardly.
Right. Right. Okay.
That's it, right? So
Okay.
here we will not focus on vendor devices. Mainly we will focus to learn the technology
Right.
so that you can use it on any vendor devices.
Right. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry to interrupt.
no problem, sir. You are always allowed to speak, and we definitely should always try to participate as much as we can. Okay, Prince, Prince sir, Lakhan, Gujjar.
Hello everyone.
I think you are from Rajasthan.
Am I
Hello.
audible?
Yeah, okay, Gujjar, you can go ahead. After that, I will come to Prince. Just I'm trying
Okay.
to understand you guys. It will help me a lot to take this training program further. Okay, so maybe it will take some time, but this is so important. Okay, and try to understand you guys as well. Other like all are your colleague only, your partner. Every day you are going, you all are going to meet. You have the WhatsApp group where you are going to talk. Right, you will see in next few days our WhatsApp group will be very active. All will be asking questions and sharing answer there, right? So try to know each other. If you are going to build a community and if you are going to learn in the community, trust me, it will help you a lot to master the technology. Okay. So yes, Gujar.
Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Lakhan Singh, and for the first question, like where when I want to learn networking, is basically like I love to like troubleshoot things mostly. And back in my bachelor's, I started CCNA, but due to like some reasons, I switched to a career to embedded systems. So I came here in Germany. Currently, I'm a student, master students for the like in the embedded systems, and also working for a company. But it's kind of not working for me, so I again like thought about like I need to start my networking career again. So I exploring my way, like my way to on YouTube, like going through several videos and like tips and advices. Then I've like somehow I found your videos, and I like the explanation and everything. Then I like just it's I think it's like 2 weeks I'm exploring. So I just found this video and then signed up for this program.
Okay. Just 2 weeks ago you found PM networking.
Yeah,
Oh, great. By the way, which video you had watched on YouTube?
I watched videos regarding automation, networking automation,
Okay. Okay.
and few more videos like related to BGP or SPF regarding that. Yeah,
Great,
and
great.
yeah, I was going through the like explanation and everything. It connects like me, like the explanation was like on pinpoint and accurate for me. So I thought like I should go with this.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much for sharing and joining. Okay, Prince.
Hello.
Yeah, Prince, you are
Good
audible.
afternoon from over here.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Calling from Nigeria.
Okay.
So basically the reason why I opted for this course was because of your teaching style. So I stumbled upon your video that was sometime three
First,
three
tell me
months
about
ago,
your CCNA
and
and CCNP. That why you have decided to learn
ah
CCNA and
okay
CCNP.
okay. Actually, I did CCNA 3 years ago, but it was self study. So I didn't really get the basics. So I passed the exam though, but I noticed I was struggling when I got a job. So I felt like the principles and the what's it called, the principles basically have not yet been solidified. So on my job I struggled a lot, but currently not on the job anymore. So I've just given time now to train myself. So when I landed another job, it's not going to be a mess. So
Okay.
that's it basically.
Okay, okay. And you are following me on social media.
Oh yes, on YouTube. Yes, I've been consuming your content, and I had to make up my mind to enroll for the course because
Great,
yes, your
great.
points were really precise, and I could see your troubleshooting steps were all perfect. So yeah, I had
Thank you
to
so much.
come on board.
Sometime your voice was breaking, right? So make sure you have the good internet connectivity at your place. See, for in the online classes, internet is the most important thing. We are so fortunate that we can learn from our bedroom even, right? But we need good internet connectivity.
Ah, okay,
It
okay,
will be
okay, get you.
difficult for you
Was it
even
that
if
bad?
you will miss some of my words in the class.
Ah, I get your point. Sure, I'm going to work on that.
Yeah, yes, yes. So thank you. Yes. Who is the next who
Okay.
want to speak here your knowledge, experience, and the goal?
Hello.
Yes, Javil.
Yeah, this is
What?
Jazib.
Javim. Okay. Sorry. Extremely sorry. Javim.
Yeah, my name is little bit confused. Jazib. Jazib. Jazib.
Extremely sorry, sir. Okay, okay,
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm from Bihar, India.
okay,
But I am working as a IT engineer at Hamad International Airport, Qatar.
okay.
So yeah, I decided to switch for the CCNP certificate because here the wide range of work in networking means airport is also itself working on a huge network.
Correct.
So here is a good future for enhance my future apart from the role I am doing here. So that's why I switched for the networking course. I searched too many classes on YouTube, just like Sikandar Sheikh CCNA and many more. I have searched, but the way of things here, your I saw your video on YouTube. It's very good. Means everything is clear that we can understand point by point which why we could use that code, this code, every how this code is working. So it's give me the vibe. Okay, I can learn now. That's why I switched to the PM networking also.
Great, great. Thank you. And see, different people are working in different sector on different kinds of network, different kinds of technology, right? So the batch is going
Yeah,
to be very
yeah,
interesting. And
yeah, sure, inshallah.
this session is live as well on YouTube. Okay, and someone is saying John
Okay.
is HR. See, John, he is talking about you. Like as you said, you are the experienced person. So he's trying to create the, like, you know what, that there is HR, the same member from the PM networking, trying to make it attractive. But you all are from the different places. We all are here just for learning. Okay. So sometime on the YouTube and social media platform, you will find some competitor, right, who will be criticizing us, right? And we need to just focus on our questions and answer. I will be asking you the question, and class in class also I will tell you that tomorrow I am going to ask you question from that particular topic. Okay, and you all will be sharing your answer. Okay, Jabib, is there anything else you want to share?
No, but I just want to switch myself to the network team in the airport also because here we can learn too many things. Because airports, this airport is working the huge number of networks.
Correct,
So that's why it's good to work here and good environment also.
correct. Even multiple technologies are there, wireless,
Yeah,
wired,
yeah, yeah.
both kinds of
Hmm.
networks,
Yeah, yeah.
big
It's
wireless
also
network.
world number one airport na Doha, Qatar.
Correct, correct. Okay, thank you so much, Jabib. I think this time I pronounce your name correctly.
No, it's Jazib.
Jajib. Jajib.
Yeah, you can say yeah. Yeah, you
Jabib.
can say.
Jajib.
No, no, Yeah, yeah, you can say Jajib, whatever.
Jaj.
Anything you can call me Bashar. Anything.
Okay, okay, I will call you Asar. That will be great. Okay.
Okay.
And Sidesh, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Sidesh is saying I am having issue with audio.
Yeah, are you hearing me?
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe.
yeah. You are audible, sir.
So I'm from Munich. I finished my master's from University of Stuttgart in information technology. I have also CCNA. I'm working as a data center engineer. So I'm working for a long time as a data center and network engineer. Now I want to make my career up like uh, architect level. So I want to do CCNP, then maybe CCIE. That's the mission.
Yeah, you can go for design even. Okay, CCI design. So you are working on Nexus devices,
Yes.
leaf spine devices, right?
Yeah.
VPC. Data center technologies are quite different, but CCNA and CCNP will help you to learn that, right? And in CCNA, CCNP, there are so many topics which you are using in the in your day-to-day life.
Yeah. Right.
And
Right.
what about the PM networking, sir?
S- so basically, I was searching for the network course.
When?
Basically, just maybe I started from 1 week earlier,
Okay.
and I searched different company, and I was trying to doing test class to different company. I attend one or two, and and I say I can get CCNA and CCNP with the same price where I'm doing the where other company asking the price only for CCNP. So I say okay, if I get two
So
for
you
one
have
price,
just
then it's
enrolled
nice.
because of my price.
Yes, yes. Because now price means there I'm getting two course with the same price.
Okay, okay, okay.
So if I asking for CCNP, then other company asking for 25 or 30 or something like that. And here I'm starting two course with the same price.
Even in
So it
future,
will
we'll
be
try to
refresh
make
my
it
things.
more
Yeah.
affordable.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing and choosing us. Okay, next is Pradeep has here Samir Sinde. Samir, if guys anyone is not able to speak, you can write your experience in the chat, or even you can share with me later as well, like in next class, in tomorrow class. But let me know, like see, just because of this introduction, I know someone is working in data center, someone is working in the airport network, what is the goal there, right? Someone has already completed the CCNA. I have also understood that there is no fresher, right? You all are working only. So like this is the reason why I am asking you. I want to know you guys first. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Who had, yes, go ahead.
hi Mishra ji. I'm Piravali. So
Piravalli. Okay.
yeah,
Piravalli.
I co- I completed my bachelor in 2020. So far, I didn't do any job. Um, so one day I watch your videos on YouTube. So it make feel easy to understand what to speaking. So can you start from scratch from CCNA
You
to
are the
CCNP?
fresher. Now I have to start from the zero only. There is
Yeah.
one guy who is starting from the scratch. Right? Okay. It will be even again beneficial for some of you as well. Right? Because
Okay.
if I will not start any topic from the zero, he will stop me. Might be possible he is learning that for the first time. Anyone else? Fresher here?
Hello. Yes, I'm also a fresher. I just completed my bachelor's. So I'm currently doing an at
Internship.
Resilient
Okay.
internship. So and I play around a lot with network a lot in my house. So I'm into the network part. So I want to learn more about it. That's why I chose your course. Join for it.
And when you found PM networking?
Actually, my one of my uncle recommended it, so he was there for previous year. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Hmm. May
So
I
he
know the name?
recommended. So I just took. Ah,
Name of your uncle?
his name is Sahir.
Shahir.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, he recommended to join. So I just checked your video. So then I was like, okay, I'll join for it.
Great, great.
So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
so much for joining and sharing here. Yes, what about Dibyam? Dibyam, you can unmute yourself. You are not audible now. Dibyam is not audible. Jaunt. And if anyone has not joined with their original name, then from tomorrow, guys, please join with your name. Dibyam, you can write your experience in the comment section. Yeah. Who is the next? Just unmute yourself and speak.
Well, hello there.
Yes, Victor.
Thanks, teacher. Well, I'm from Argentina and I have 55 years old. I be an OT technology supervisor in the oil and gas industry for a couple of years. But for many years, I studied Cisco technologies on my own with Packet Tracer and now with GNS3 training by myself. But it was never able to apply them. In fact, I have my CCNA badges and everything. But at my current company, they only let me work on the physical topology side, leading work teams. Now, in a few days, I'll be joining another company as an IT communications network engineer to work on the logic part, configuration, monitoring in the company's network. For that, I feel I must be 100% prepared in every possible way to perform adequately in that position. So I'm very happy to get this job and to be here doing this great training. I'm for sure I will get what I pay and more because you are a great teacher. Your videos on YouTube teach me a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. By the way, I think you are a very experienced person.
Well, I have the fortune to work with great professionals in the working process. I've seen everything on the hardware part, those Cisco 980s, virtual switching, routing, servers Dell. Um, I see switches in the IT sector, in the OT sector, uh, inside access point, outside access point, SPF, optic fiber, Ethernet in the 7CAT, um, data centers, by also only observing what is happening and leading people to do the job. I never had the chance to configure those assets. So I'm happy to see now in a few days the possibility to programming and configuring Cisco systems. I love Cisco. I
100%,
also
sir.
know
Just in
that
3 months.
in 3 months, of course. In the meantime, I already been working in that company, but and also know they have some Juniper systems over there. So as you say a few minutes ago, the technology is the same. O sea, I mean, the technology is different, but commands or the processes and protocols and etc. will be the same. Just
No,
change
technology
commands.
is the same and the command is different. The way of
Exactly.
doing can be different,
Exactly.
right? Doesn't matter where you are installing the Windows. Maybe on desktop or laptop, right, or on any hardware. The Windows operating system is going to work same only, right, on all the hardwares.
In this industry here in Argentina, we all goes through Windows every time, and goes to in the this kind of industry on Cisco and Dell. We have FortiGate as firewalls and not much else.
Even we have so many open standard protocols like STP. STP is one topic of switching, the heart of switching, the main topic of switching. And the STP works on Cisco devices, Juniper devices, HP devices, Aruba device, means on the switch. On any vendor device, it is going to work same.
I guess I can handle that. I'm working a lot with your labs on STP, knowing the importance of be prepared on and spanning tree, and with so many billions on the OT side and so much billions on the IT side in a data center, it's a must to know spanning tree protocol and be prepared to issue and troubleshooting. That's, I think, it's the best way to learn these things is by doing a lot of labs and be prepared to whatever happens.
Correct. 100% true. Agree. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir. Also,
Thank you so much for sharing and joining us. Let's move to others. So who is the next? See, this is done. Victor done. Aswini done. Prince done. Vamsi, I know. Kamran, I know him. C. Sunendu C. Something like that. Name is complicated for me to pronounce. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Namaste. Myself Subhendu from
Subhendu.
Odisha.
Okay.
Subhendu. I work as a computer hardware and system maintenance in last couple of years, and in last 2 to 3 years I work as a network troubleshooting. But I do not, due to lack of my network skills and knowledge, I could not solve the problem. So I want to join the CCNA and CCNP course for this. That's all.
Okay. Got it. Great. And you are watching my video on YouTube as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
there
sir.
you got to know. Okay. Who is the next? Ashwini. Chari. Chari, am I audible? Pradeep, hello sir. I am from Chandigarh. I have more than 6 years of experience in signal telecommunication networking. Currently, I am working in Bharat Electronics Limited as a senior network wireless communication and networking engineer. I am already familiar with CCNA Basic. I follow you on YouTube as well on Facebook. So I joined CCNA and CCNP to enhance my skill and skill to the next level. Great, Pradeep. Okay, Pradeep Sahotra.
Sir, good evening, sir. I am Yadunandan Achari from
Yes.
Hyderabad. Sir. I am working as a manager in a telecom company.
Okay.
I am working in a transmission department in SD, mainly in SDH equipment installations and configurations, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now I would like to shift to IP/MPLS. That's why I joined this course. And my aim is to complete a CCNP certification, sir.
Okay.
Okay, I have one question, sir. Is it allowed to do CCNP directly, sir, without a CCNA?
Yeah. You can go for CCNP directly. Earlier, it was the path was CCNA and then CCNP. You can only go for CCNP when you have the CCNA certificate. But nowadays Cisco has updated it. Now you can directly go for CCNP or CCIE as well even.
Yes, sir. That's what I want to.
Yeah, now you don't need to go with CCNA. Directly you will go for CCNP in core and NRC. CCNP again, single CCNP in core will not
Yes,
make
sir.
you the CCNP certified. You cannot call yourself as CCNP certified if you have the CCNP in core certificate. You need in core, which is the main core paper, and one concentration paper. You can go with NRC or SD-WAN course, and this is the reason why I have added both here, in core and NRC. NRC
Yes,
is
sir.
your concentration paper and in core is your main core paper to get
Sir.
CCNP certified.
Yes, sir. By completing this course,
After
I'm thinking
completion
I
of
can
this,
complete.
yes, after completion of this course, you can go for CCNP exam,
Okay, sir.
right? If you will follow all the instruction, if you will perform all the labs, you will be very confident, right, for
Definitely.
CCNP exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much,
thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Chari. Dibyam, are you working on firewall? And if you are working on firewall, tell me on which firewall you are working. Samina from Mumbai, and okay. Side, working with basic firewall in Cisco. Okay, great, Divyam. Here in the course also we'll talk about firewall as well. So I think now I am not missing anyone. Everyone has shared their goal, why they have enrolled and why they have chosen the PM networking only. Now guys, I am going to tell you about the course, about this program. Cisco ACL, yeah, got it. The basic policies you can say, right? Now let me share my screen. And for others, Kabya, I think we are missing some students as well. See, 22 students are only there. Kabya, I'm audible to you.
Yeah, Praphul, I'm listening.
So I think we are missing some student. Must verify after this program that every link is shared with everyone or not.
Yeah, sure. I will cross verify once.
Okay. So let me share my screen and let me know if my screen is visible. And guys, if there is no noise from your side, then you can keep yourself on unmute. And if there is noise, you will keep yourself on mute. Whenever you need to speak, you will unmute yourself. And if you are sitting in silence, then you can keep yourself on unmute. Is my screen visible?
Oh
Yes.
yes, you can see from here.
This is about myself. Later I will share this PDF as well. And here is goal of this course. Just give me 1 minute, guys, please. Yeah, goal of this combo course will focus on building a strong foundation in networking first, like IP addressing, subnetting, basic packet flow, routing, switching. These are foundation to learn any networking technologies, whether it is SD-WAN, CCNP, CCIE, data center, service provider. For all the technologies, these are the foundation, right? So we'll build a strong foundation in networking. This training program is practical, right? So many labs are there, 100 plus real-time production labs are there. Day by day I will be showing you and I will be assigning the task to you as well, and you need to perform the lab. So learn real-time concepts using the production network. This training program will prepare you for high paying job role. If someone is struggling with their salary, if someone is thinking that my salary is low, I need to improve my salary, right? So definitely this training program, even this training program is designed to become the best engineer. And as soon as you will become the best engineer, you will be in demand. Once you will be in demand, company will pay you more, right? So prepare yourself for high paying job roles in 2025. This training program is not only going to focus on routing and switching. This is the first step toward modern technologies, right? Means mastering the routing switching, at the same time moving towards modern technologies. We'll talk about SD, and also we'll talk about wireless automation, virtualization, about these all technologies as well. You will also get hands-on on real world troubleshooting ticket. Based on my existing experience, I will share the troubleshooting scenarios, like while working in that company I had faced this issue and how I have fixed it. Sometime you will get lab to troubleshoot the issue, like there will be some issue, let's say two sites, two branch offices are not able to communicate with each other. We have configured everything there and we did some mistake, we made some mistake. We'll make mistake intentionally so that we can check your troubleshooting skill, and you need to troubleshoot it. And we'll cover 3 courses. This is for paper. If someone needs certificate, so they can go for CCNA, CCNP in core, or CCNP NRC. If you need CCNP certificate, if you want to call yourself as CCNP certified, you have to go with these 2 paper. CCNA is not mandatory, you can leave it. So CCNA 200301 and CCNA is the fundamentals of enterprise network. Again, today's CCNA 200301 is more than fundamentals, because it is also the initiation of learning modern technology. So we'll talk about the syllabus as well. CCNP in core, which is your core enterprise network, and CCNP NRC, which is advanced routing. In NRC, advanced routing and IP services, and in core we are going to master the switching, right? So you can say this is switching, this is routing as well, but some other topics are also there, services. These are our core technologies, right, which we are going to learn. First one is routing switching. You need mastery, right, expert in the routing and switching. IPv4 and IPv6 protocols with IPv4, IPv6 Internet Protocol version 4 and version 6. VLAN inter VLAN routing, or you can say LAN routing, or segmentation might be possible. Some of you are not able to understand these terms now. No worry. Wireless networking, network security like VPN, ACL, firewall, and introduction of SD-WAN and automation, Python and APIs. Which tools we will use to practice Wireshark, to capture the link, to check the packets, packet tracer for a very basic LAMP, GNS3 for all routing, and EVNG for switching and implementing or configuring the complete enterprise network. So you all should have these 4-5 softwares, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 softwares. You all should have these 4 software in your laptop before even next class. Don't say I will only install EVNG, or I will only install GNS3, or only packet tracer. No, these all are required. We'll perform some lab in packet tracer only, some lab in GNS3 only, and some lab in EVNG only, and Wireshark should be there for capturing. I will show you how to use these all simulation software as well. You can prepare yourself for remote work. And why networking is evolving? Because of remote work, right? Many people are working from home, offices, cafes, while traveling, and cloud adoption is there, right? We are adopting the cloud as well. We are using IoT devices, automation, and cyber security. We most of the time you will find hybrid setup in the enterprise network. Company need fast, smart, and secure network. Career growth is huge. You all already know this as you all are working. Few are only fresher here, right? So you can become a next generation network engineer, confident in network designing and configuration and troubleshooting, right? Troubleshooting BGP, NAT, VPN, QoS, etc. Right? All the technologies, whatever technology we are using in the enterprise network, you will be able to troubleshoot all those technologies after this training program. You will be also able to appear in interview with full confidence, and you can design, configure, troubleshoot a small, medium, and enterprise network. Now, our first course, CCNA. In CCNA, what we will learn? Network fundamental, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, automation and programmability. For the detailed syllabus, now see, for these all three courses, just go to Google and download the syllabus. Cisco CCNA syllabus. Go to Cisco official website here. Here it is. And you can see in the CCNA syllabus there are 6 sections: network fundamental, access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamental, and automation and programmability. Guys, so many topics, more than 90% topics are same in CCNA and CCNP syllabus, like OSPF. OSPF is in CCNA also, and it is in CCNP also. In both course we have OSPF. In both course we have EIGRP. In both course we have STP, VTP, DTP. So what we'll do, when we'll start the OSPF, we'll start from the scratch, from the zero. We'll start from the why we need OSPF, then what is OSPF, how it's work, and then how to troubleshoot the OSPF. Basic will cover the CCNA part, and advanced, what, how, and T-suite will cover the CCNP part. Will not cover both course CCNA, CCNP separately. At the same time, we'll cover both course. That's why I'm saying duration is just 3 years. 3 months. And this is the reason why this program is our most successful program. People don't have time. They want to learn more in less time, right? So we are trying to save our time as well. In 3 months, we are going to cover both. And now if you want to see under network fundamental what I will learn, so you can expand it. You will get to know about all topics like router, switch, access point, endpoint, servers, architecture, 2-tier, 3-tier, spine leaf, WAN, small office, home office, on-premises, cloud, TCP, UDP, IPv4, subnetting, IPv6, unicast, anycast, multicast, right? Wireless topics, encryption, radio frequency, SSID, non-overlapping Wi-Fi channels, MAC address table, MAC aging time, learning, frame switching, frame flooding, MAC address table, right? So like this, you can check the topic under each section. If you want to download the syllabus from here, you can download it, right? Even from this page only you can book the exam as well. Like from here I can schedule the exam as well. To pass the exam, you have to score 80% marks at least. 80% is the passing rate. Guys, CCNA is even basic, but I must tell you, success rate in CCNA exam is very low. 5%, not more than that. Success rate is just 5% because of the language, the way how Cisco is going to ask you the question. And this training program will make you perfect to pass CCNA exam 1000 times. If you will go for CCNA exam 1000 times, all the times you will clear the exam. Reason, you are learning CCNA and NP, right? So once you will learn the CCNP, CCNA topics will automatically become easy for you, easier for you. You can understand it very well. And then you can understand all the question, you can answer it. Similarly, you need to download the syllabus of CCNP in core as well as CCNP NRC. Here just I have mentioned the headings. Like see in the in core what I told you. In core is switching and IP services. So enterprise network architecture, in this section you are going to learn the switching. Virtualization, you will learn the VLANs, VRF, right? And some other concepts of virtualization, even the core virtualization, ESXi, hypervisor, type 1 hypervisor, type 2 hypervisor, infrastructure layer 2 and layer 3, network assurance, security and automation, and wireless architecture. See, in the CCNA also we had similar topics. In CCNP, in core also we have same topics. And in the NRC, we have advanced routing, EAGRP, OSPF, BGP, right? These are 3 routing protocols and the most important part of our course as well, the routing protocols and switching protocols. The route map, redistribution, PVR, policy based routing. These are again advanced concepts of routing. Then we have WAN technologies, NAT, VPNs, MPLS, transport, internet transport and MPLS transport, even other transports, leased line, broadband. Layer 3 troubleshooting, MPLS basic, DM VPN and IPsec concept. IPsec, all types of VPNs will be covered in our course. Right? This is about the course. How we will learn it? Through live class, weekly dot session. We'll use the simulation software for lab, packet tracer and EVNG, GNS3 and some other networking softwares. Later I will ask you to install more softwares as well, like sometime to store our configuration of devices on TFTP server. So it might be possible you need to just download a simple TFTP software in your laptop, right? Where you can learn how to take backup of our devices, networking devices. After that, real-time case studies and mock interview session. After each module, we will have mock interview session where we will ask you question to test your knowledge and then we'll share feedback. At the end, we'll prepare your world-class resume, right? Again, we'll help you in that. And after that, we'll share our resume to the company if you are looking for job change. So training program is going to be more than 150 hours. Lab support is there. If you will stuck anywhere during configuration or practicing lab, you can reach to us anytime. Okay, interview session and career monitoring session, right? So as I asked you all about your goal, similarly in the class also I will be knowing more about you, and at the end I will suggest you the best path based on my experience to those only who are below me, right? I have seen some people has good experience more than me, right? So I will also learn from him. But if you need my help, I am always available, right? So at the end, definitely you all will get the best career path based on your profile, experience, knowledge and interest. So I will request you to stay consistent in the class. Ask your doubt whenever any topic is not clear to you. Perform the lab every day and connect with peers from study groups. As you have WhatsApp close community, try to utilize this as all like-minded people are there. So ask questions there, and when others are asking questions, try to share your answer. Success means I already told you networking is just 20% knowledge, 80% it's practice, right? So practice, practice and practice. After learning each and every topic, we need to test again and again until and unless you will not feel confidence. Until and unless you are not confident in that particular topic, you will be performing lab. Sometime you will also read the article. Sometime we will share the article in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's begin the journey, guys, of becoming the world-class network engineer. And here are the courses, right? What you can do now, you can download the syllabus of all these 3 courses, keep it somewhere, so that when we are covering the topic in the class, at the same time you will be checking the syllabus as well, just to check where you are standing right now. One more thing, I want you all to just measure your current knowledge, where you are right now, so that at the end you can measure the improvement in your technical skill. Done? Clear? Now, if we have connected, then let's learn something today, right? And I will not talk about much today about the technology, but just I'm going to start our networking with one simple topic, and you tell me the answer of this question. Question is, like here you can see how we are identifying the people. If I need to ask something to somebody, I will call him with his name. So tell me how we identify devices in network. How we identify devices in network. And just give me 1 minute. Yes. Yeah, who will share the answer? You also try one by one.
By IP address.
By using the address. And how many types of addresses are there?
Physical and logical addresses, 2 type.
Yes, very good. With the help of address. And there are 2 types of address. First one is physical address, or you can say MAC address, or sometimes you can say hardware address. And the second one is logical address, or you can say IP address. Now my question to you is this: who will assign these addresses to the devices, to networking devices? Who will assign these addresses to the devices?
Network admin.
Network admin?
Vendor,
Yes.
manufacturer.
Mm-hmm. MAC address will be assigned by
MAC address provided by the manufacturer. MAC address provided by the manufacturer.
yes, and logical address IP address will
IP
be
address provided the network engineer or
engineer
architect.
or
Yeah.
by the DHCP, right? So again,
Or the
DHCP
Or
DSP.
this
engineer will only set up the DHCP, right? So that means if the physical address is going to assign by manufacturer, the company, that means it is permanent fix. We can not change it. It is a physical address, guys, like your physical address, right? And see, your physical address is unique on this planet. Yes or no? Like right now, I am sitting in uh, one society in Surat, in Gujarat, in India, and then planet, universe, planet. Correct? Is there any like, is this location, this particular location where I am sitting right now, is somewhere else as well, guys, on this planet? No. It's unique globally. If you are going to send something to this location, only I will be receiving it. And at this location, there are so many people, right? Even in my family, so many people are there. So to send me something, you are going to use two types of address. First, my physical address to reach here, and at this location to identify me, you are going to use my name, that Praphul. So your physical address means MAC address is globally unique. Two devices cannot have same MAC address. It is globally unique. And the permanent address, we can also say permanent address to the MAC address, right? Manufacturer company is going to hard code it, right? This address is hard coded on the NIC. What is NIC? NIC is network interface card, the first networking component. The first networking component is NIC only, network interface card, which is used to connect our networking devices to the network. Like if you need to connect your laptop to the network, either you can connect through Ethernet cable or you can connect through Wi-Fi NIC, Wi-Fi adapter, right? So MAC address is assigned to NIC. Now my question to you is this, that you all are using laptop. Can you tell me how many MAC addresses are assigned to your laptop? These are basic questions, I know, but tell me.
One. One.
Only one?
Please repeat, sir.
For the
In your
laptop, one.
laptop.
For the NIC card, one. For different components has
In
wireless
your
for wireless,
laptop, I am
one.
talking about your laptop. Forget about other devices. Yeah, depending on the interface. So how many interfaces are there in your laptop?
One, sir.
No, more than one. More than one interface. Multiple, but I don't know exact number.
Guys, see, NIC is the interface through which we can connect our device to network. Can you connect your laptop to other networking devices through Bluetooth? Through Bluetooth? Yes, might be possible. That means one NIC will be there for Bluetooth. Every laptop has Bluetooth feature. You can also connect your laptop to the network, to the internet through Wi-Fi. That means one NIC is there for Wi-Fi. You can also connect your laptop through Ethernet cable. That means one NIC is there for LAN interface as well, LAN adapter as well. If LAN adapter is not available on your laptop, that means maybe your laptop has two NIC, some has three, some has four, some has more than four as well. So answer should be the number of ways to connect my laptop to the network. Whatever ways are there, that is possible just through network interface card, through NIC port. And your MAC address is hard coded to the NIC port only, right? How long this address is? MAC address, length of MAC address?
48 bit.
48 bits. Very good. And if I will talk about the IP address, so this is logical address like my name, Praphul, right? There are so many Praphul on this planet. There are so many Praphul on this planet. This is logical. Multiple people can have same IP address, no problem. Changeable also, we can change it, right? And who will define it, assign it to the device? Network admin, either manually or dynamically through DHCP. Whatever task is there in network, guys, whatever task, whether it is assigning IP address or exchanging the routes or forwarding the traffic, all the tasks can be done in two ways: manual and automatic, manually or automatically. In the manually method, engineer will perform that task manually, like assigning IP address to the device. Go to NIC and define the IP address, subnet mask and gateway. And in the automatic way, engineer will assign same task to protocol. To whom? To the protocol, that hey, DHCP, you are responsible to assign IP address to the machines. So in manually, we will perform the task manually, will configure at the configuration manually, and in the automatic way, automatic method, will assign same task to a protocol, and protocol will work for us. So IP address can be either assigned by DHCP server or DHCP protocol, or we can assign manually. Length of my MAC address is 48 bits address. How we represent MAC address, guys? We represent MAC address in hexadecimal. Can anyone tell me how many bits are required to represent one hexadecimal character?
4.
4 bits
16.
are required, right? Total 16 characters are there in hexadecimal. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 16 characters are there, right? So if I have one bit, by using one bit, I can have only two possible number. It can be either 0 or it can be either 1. If I have 2 bits, so I can represent 4 possible number. It can be 0, 0 or 1, 0 or 0, 1 or 1, 1, correct? But I need to represent 16 characters. Is 3 bits sufficient, Praful? 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1? No, you can represent
No.
9 character only, right? So we need 4 bits here. My value can be either 4 times 0 and the maximum value can be 4 times 1. 4 times 0 is nothing but the 0 in hexadecimal, and 4 times 1 is nothing but the F in hexadecimal. Correct? So we need 4 bits to represent hexadecimal character. In hexadecimal, if I am saying 0, it means in binary it is 0, 0, 0. If I am saying 1, means in the binary it is 0, 0, 0, 1. If I am saying A, it means it is 1, 0, 1, 0. It is like this. So if it is 48 bits address, if MAC address is 48 bits address, and we need 4 bits to represent one character, then how many total character I will have in MAC address? 48 divided by 4 means 12 characters. Correct, guys? I have 12 character in MAC address, and this character can be 12 times 12 or 12 times F. All the address in between are your valid MAC address. All the MAC addresses will lie in this range only. This is my lowest MAC address and this is my largest MAC address. If I will talk about the binary, so here we have 48 zeros and here we have 48 ones. Correct? This is my lowest MAC address, this is my largest MAC address. All MAC address will lie in this range. Like one MAC address can be 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 like this. 2 4 6 8 10 12. This is a valid MAC
Maybe we are getting
address.
some noise. Sorry to say. Maybe we are getting some noise from
Yeah,
your
I'm also
microphone.
getting some noise. I think it is coming from here. Okay, Samir. There was noise from your side. Keep yourself on mute. So this is my MAC address, one MAC address. Now, representation of this MAC address can be different in different operating system. Like Cisco can represent this MAC address in different way. Windows can represent it in different way. Juniper can represent it in different way. Like someone can represent it like this. Let's say here, after every 2 character there is dash. This is the MAC representation in which operating system?
Windows.
Windows. Very good. Cisco can represent it like this. After every 4 characters, 2 to 4, they can add one colon. Right? Someone can represent it like this. After 6 character, 2, 4 and 6, they can add one hyphen here like this. But these all MAC addresses are exactly same. All MAC addresses are same. Difference is only in term of representation. Like if you will check your Windows NIC, like let me show you the NICs on my local laptop. How many NICs are there? IP config. See, Ethernet adapter not configured, not connected. Wireless LAN adapter, which subnet is running, what is the IP address? This one, right? Then VM adapter for the virtualization. I am running VMware as well on my laptop, so VMware will create the virtual NIC. NIC can be virtual or physical. It is not like the wireless NIC is going to be virtual. Wireless is physical NIC. Virtual means VMs, right? When you will create VMs on VMware, it will create the virtual NIC. And IP config all. And here you can see the MAC address in the Cisco operating system, how Cisco is representing MAC address, right? So this MAC address is in my range only. This MAC address is in my range only. See, this MAC address is in between this one and this one, the first one and last one. In Cisco operating system, you will see Cisco represent MAC address like this. But I told you the MAC address is globally unique. How, Praphul? How Dell company will get to know that this MAC address is already used by HP? I cannot use it. So for that, we divided MAC address into two parts. MAC addresses is divided into two parts. First one is called OUI and second one is called vendor assigned. First 24 bits, right, out of 48 bits. First 24 bits are called OUI and last 24 bits are called vendor assigned. Means vendor is only going to assign 24 bits. Means how many character? 6 character. Each character carry 4 bits. 6 multiplied by 4, 24. Right? Who will decide the OUI? How many of you know about the INA, guys?
Yes, I have heard.
INA, Internet Assigned Number Authority. It's a non-profitable organization who is managing the internet. This organization is managing the internet, your public IP address, your private IP address, public ES number, private ES number, MAC address, means OUI part. Right? So INA has first 24 bits of all MAC addresses. Let's take an example of two companies, Dell and HP. These two companies need to manufacture some laptop or any networking devices, so they need MAC addresses. What they will do, they will purchase OUI from INA. OUI is not free. Dell and HP both have to purchase OUI from the INA. Let's say Dell has purchased one OUI from the INA, and their OUI means first 24 bits, means first 6 character. Let's say their first 6 character is 6 times 0. Now INA will have one database that, see, this OUI is already sold to Dell. I will not sell this OUI to any other organization. When HP will request for the OUI to INA, INA is going to assign another OUI. Let's say 5 times 0 and then 1. INA has how many OUI? INA has 2 power 24 OUI. 6 times 0 to 6 times F. 6 times 0 to 6 times F. So HP got this OUI 5 times 0 and 1. See, now both the company has unique OUI, and even INA has record that which OUI is sold, which OUI are free. This is sold to HP. And now based on this OUI, Dell is going to manufacture their laptop or their networking devices, their NICs. For that they will create the MAC address. How many MAC address Dell can create with the help of one OUI? How many bits are free there? 24. So 2 power 24 MAC address can be created by one OUI. Their first MAC address is going to be what? Again 6 times 0. This is the first MAC address of Dell. Second MAC address 1. Third MAC address 2. Fourth MAC address. Last MAC address. Correct? And similarly, HP is also going to design MAC address with the help of OUI. They can also use same vendor assigned address. See, the vendor assigned section is same in Dell and HP, but guys, their MAC address is unique or same?
Unique.
Unique, right? Both company can design 2 power 24 MAC addresses. After that, if they need more MAC addresses, more NICs, again they have to purchase the OUI, and this way MAC address is globally unique. Is it clear to all of you how my MAC address is globally unique? MAC address is 48 bits address represented in hexadecimal. We need 4 bits to represent 1 hexadecimal. That's why total character in the MAC address is 12. My lowest MAC address will be 12 times 0. My largest MAC address will be 12 times F. All the MAC address will lie between 12 times 0 to 12 times F. Then we divide our MAC address into 2 parts to make it globally unique. OUI and vendor assign. First 24 bits are OUI and last 24 bits are vendor assign. OUI part will be managed by INA, which is node free, and vendor assign means last 24 bits will be decided by your vendor company. Hope it is clear. Ask me the question if anyone have any question in this, if MAC address is not clear to you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hmm?
Yeah, it's not too clear to me, especially for the example you gave, Dell and the HP. So I'm not sure exactly what the differences are, because
Differences
almost
is in
similar MAC
OUI.
addresses I could see.
Both the MAC address look similar, but see, their OUI. OUI of Dell is 6 times 0 and OUI of HP is 5 times 0 and 1. That's why their MAC address, overall MAC address is unique.
Okay, okay. That's
Right?
clear.
So OUI will be never same between Dell and HP because OUI is managed by organization, the common organization. Both the companies got OUI from INA only, and INA have record. If IBM is going to request for OUI, means first 24 bits, INA will not assign these to OUI to IBM or Apple because these are already shared. They have database.
Sorry, in a vendor part there are 5 digit. It should be 6 digit.
6
You
digit.
put,
First
yeah, you
24
put,
bits and last
yeah,
24
you,
bits.
yeah, you put 5 digit on your vendor part. Please make another 0. Vendor part.
Sorry, one more zero is there. Yes.
Yeah.
6 zeros. First 24 bits and last 24 bits. It can be the MAC address. Here also. Like this. Okay. First 24 bits plus last 24 bits, or you can say first 24 first 6 character plus last 6 character. First is OUI, last is vendor assign. Right? Even in Cisco operating system, if I am going to access a router here for you in packet tracer, and if I will show you the MAC address, the device is booting. So interface F0/0. See the MAC address. How Cisco is representing the MAC address. But how many characters are there? 12. And this is what? First 6 bits. OUI. And this last 24 bits, 6 character is vendor assign. Assigned by Cisco. In the Windows operating system also you have seen the MAC representation. In Cisco operating system also you have seen the MAC representation. Now if I will talk about the second address, IP address, right? This is first type of address which we are using to identify the device in network. The second address is IP address. How long IP address is? Length of IP address? When I am saying IP, 32 bits, very good. This IP Internet Protocol has two versions, version 4 and
6.
Version 6.
right. We don't need to learn version 1, 2, 3, version
1
4
to
and
3.
version 6. Right. When I am saying IP only, when I am not mentioning the version, that means I am talking about which version?
4.
It means I am talking about IP version 4.
4.
4. Right. And IP version 4 is 32 bits address represented in decimal. Even you can say dotted decimal, represented in
Dotted decimal.
dotted decimal, right? And divided it into
4 octets.
4, yeah, octet, or you can say fields.
Fields.
Why octet? Because total length of IP address is 32 bits. If I am going to divide 32 by 4, each fields will get how many bits? 8 bits. And 8 bits is called 1 octet. 8 bits equals 1 octet, right? So either I can say divided IPv4 address is divided into 4 fields or 4 octet, because in each field we have 8 bits information, right? Means my IP address is like this: 4 fields, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In each field, how many bits are there? 8 bits. 8 bits, 8 bits, and 8 bits, 8 bits. And how we separate the field octet? With the help of dot. There is dot in between all the field. Now by using 8 bits, what minimum decimal value you can represent? If your all 8 bits are 0, then what will be the decimal value? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will be the decimal value? 0.
32. Yeah.
If all the bits are 0, binary to decimal,
0.
that is going to be 0. And if all the bits are 1, then my decimal value will be 255. If you will convert it into decimal, you will get 255.
5.
And guys, if anyone don't know the binary to decimal convergence, then after the class just watch any small video on YouTube for binary to decimal convergence. Binary to decimal, or hexadecimal to binary, or binary to hexadecimal, or binary to decimal. So if all the bits are 0, then decimal value will be 0. If all the bits are 8 bits are 1, then decimal value will be 255. So guys, in each field, value can be from 0 to 255. In each field, value can be 0 to 255 only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because we have 8 bits only. By using 8 bits, my value can be either 0 or any value between 0 to 255 in each field. And again, we have dot to separate all the fields, all the octet. Dot here, like this. If I am going to write an IP address like 10.256.10.50, is it 80? Is it a valid IP?
No.
Why this one is not valid IP?
Second octet 256 is there.
Yes, in second octet value is 256. By using 8 bits, we cannot write 256 in decimal, correct?
Yes, sir.
So value in each octet can be 0 to 255 only. Here it can be 0 to 255, any value. Now this is a valid IP address. Yes. So what will be my lowest IP address? Lowest IP address, if all the bits in all the octet is 0, then you will get the lowest IP address, which is 0.0.0.0. Means in first octet all the bits 0, in second octet all the bits are 0, in third octet all bits 0, in fourth octet all bits 0. And my largest IP address will be what? If all the bits are 1, right? Means 255.255.255.255. Means my all the IP address is going to lie in between this range. How many IP addresses I will get total? 2 power 24. Is it sufficient? No, this is not sufficient. So as this is not sufficient, because we need more IP addresses, lots of more IP addresses. Even the population is more than this number, and many people are using multiple devices. Even your car key need IP address today. Your smart TV need IP address.
Is it 2.24 or 2.32?
Sorry, 32. 2 power 32. Right? So everyone need multiple IP addresses. All IoT devices need IP address. So how we reduce this shortage? With the help of subnetting, private and public concept, netting. We will be learning about those all in future classes. But for now, my lowest IP address is this one. My largest IP address is this one. All the IP address is going to lie in this range. That's why here if I am going to add one IP 192.168.10.10, is it a valid IP?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
192.168.10.0, is it a valid IP?
Yes.
Yes. If
Yes.
I am saying 0.0.0.255, is it a valid IP? Yes.
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 All the IP address in this range is valid IP address. After that, some IP addresses are reserved. We'll talk about that. Like this IP address cannot be assigned to interface. See on the router, if I will try to configure this IP here, config T interface F0/0 no shutdown and IP address 0.0.0.255.255.0.0.0. What it's saying? Not a valid host address. This IP address is reserved. But for now, until and unless we have not learned that this is a valid IP address. Right? So IP address is 32 bits address represented in decimal, dotted decimal, divided into 4 fields. We have 4 octet. Each field can carry value, decimal value from 0 to
255.
255. Here also it is 0 to 255. These are two addresses which we use to identify the device in the network. Now, in a company, or let's suppose in even your home, right? There are multiple networking devices, your laptop, your mobile phone, the laptop or hardware of your dad, wife, brother, sister. How you are going to connect all the devices together? Similarly, in the company also, in a small office, there are 20 employees. How will connect all the employees' devices together?
By a switch.
First of all, interface is required, right? On every hardware. Interface, which is nothing but the NIC, network interface. Network interface card. How it looks like? So simple. For the visualization, just put your topic in Google. Like here I can say NIC card, and then I can search NIC card, then I can search and I will go to image section. You can see these are what? These are LAN NIC. See RJ45 port, right? This is what? This is your motherboard. Means NIC is directly connected with brain of my device. Through this NIC port only, networking device is going to receive or transmit the traffic data. Right? This is also one NIC, right? But see the connector is different. Here we can connect RJ45 cable. RJ45 ports looks like this. Right? So we can connect this port in this NIC. So if I have two laptop or two hardware, any hardware, if I need to connect these two devices together, both should have NIC, network interface card. and through network interface card, now you need a cable. Through cable you can connect them together. If both the PCs has single NIC, that is fine, we can connect it very easily. Now if I have one more PC, third PC number 3, now can anyone tell me how I can connect PC3? PC3 also has one NIC. Is there any way to connect these all PCs together? No. Now here I need one more NIC, correct? Here also I need one more NIC. Here also I need 2 NIC, and then I can connect 3 computer together. Guys, if I have one more PC, it will be complicated, right?
Yes.
On each NIC you have to assign address as well, IP address, right? So this is not possible when we have multiple devices. Like in the company, as I told you, let's suppose there are 4 laptops or 4 hardware. So in this case, to connect these all devices, we need a centralized device. That centralized device is called switch. Right? If I will talk about networking devices, so my first networking device is NIC, network interface card. Then if I will talk about this centralized device, so first we come up with hub. Hub was the centralized device. Hub was similar like your extension board. You all know the extension board, right? If I need to charge multiple mobile phones and there is only single port in my board, then I can purchase one extension board from the market, and on the extension board you will find multiple ports. But inside the extension board, all the ports are directly connected with each other, hard coded with each other through a wire. Inside the extension board there is direct wire like this. So hub is also similar like this extension board only. The dummy device don't have any memory, nothing is there, just there is wiring inside the box, right? And so many ports are there. These are not NIC. These are not NIC. These are just like a NIC, don't have any address. We can use it to connect it, right? Just we are extending the number of port like extension board, and we can connect it like this. But if this is the hub, then there is issue, guys. As I told you, hub don't have any memory. This is dummy device like an extension board. It will always perform broadcast because it cannot understand the address. Let's say here I have one user whose MAC address is A and whose IP address is 10.1.1.1, and here is one another device whose MAC address is B and whose IP address is 10.1.1.2. So if 10.1 want to communicate with 20.1, source IP will be 10.1.1.1, destination IP will be 20.1.1.1, source MAC will be A, destination MAC will be B. These are 4 basic components of network. Without these 4 basic components, we cannot send any data through network. So PC will forward it to hub, but hub cannot read it, cannot understand, hey, from where traffic is coming, where traffic is going. So it cannot forward this traffic to PCB. What it will do, it will forward one copy to everyone, and these PCs will discard it. Unnecessary, we are utilizing the bandwidth at least, right? That's why we have replaced the hub with switch. Nowadays, which centralized device we are using to connect multiple networking devices together or LAN devices together? Switch. Switch has memory, right? It can maintain a table to forward the user data. That table name is called MAC address table. Tomorrow I will teach you that. So my second networking device which we need to learn is not hub. We'll learn
Switch.
Third networking devices. Now, similar like this, if I have multiple networks, network 1 and let's say network 2. To connect two different networks, we have again another device called Router, right? So this is our third networking device which we will learn, router. And then you can connect switch to router, and then router, this switch also to router. Third networking device which we need to learn is our router. Now tell me, can these users communicate with each other? These all user, yes, can communicate via switch. Can these two network communicate with each other? Yes, they can communicate via router. But can these users access internet?
Like what?
No.
Yeah, tell me, sir, can these devices users access internet?
No.
No. They can share text, file, videos, they can call, but they cannot access internet. For internet, what you will do, you will connect your router to ISP,
Yes.
right? But ISP is not secure. This is public network. Good people and bad people, both types of people are there. Attacker, hackers are also there. So you cannot connect your router directly to the ISP network. Someone can send virus, someone can capture your traffic. If this is a company network, we cannot forward traffic to internet like this. So here we will place one security device called firewall, right? So our fourth networking device which we need to learn is firewall. Now here in the company there are some guest user, right? Mobile users. So can I connect mobile to the switch? Do you have Ethernet port on the mobile? No, right? These devices are mini device, and even these are, if these are the guest, means these are not the permanent users. I need to connect these user to my network for few hours, sometime to just download few things. Maybe these users just need internet access, that's it. So I will have one more device here called
Access point.
Access point.
access point. Access point is similar like your switch, which is used to connect multiple networking devices together but wirelessly. It is for mini devices. Like switch connects multiple networking devices together through wire, and access point connect multiple networking devices together through wirelessly signal,
Wirelessly.
wireless signal. So my next component, fifth component which we need to learn here is AP, access point. Now as someone said, I am working in the airport, and let's say in the airport if there are 5000 APs. So to manage these 5000 APs or 500 APs, I will have one controller called WLC, from where I will manage my all access point. WLC. Next component which we'll learn is WLC, right? These all are my hardware which we are going to learn. Now router can be virtual as well, it can be VM as well, right? That is virtual router. We'll talk about that later, but these are the hardware which we are going to learn in this course. Now in today's time, we are not managing our switches, routers even manually. See, this router is edge device, is connecting my private network to public network. So we call this device as edge device, right? WAN edge. What we called it? WAN edge. To manage your WAN edge devices in modern way through software, right? Like let's say this is one side, and like this if I have 1000 sides, that means we have 1000 routers, and even in the production you will not have single router, because guys, what if this router bill goes down? Is there any backup? No. Is there any alternate path for load balancing? No. So at least you will have 2 routers, 2 edge device. So if I have 1000 sites, means 2000 routers are there. If I need to change one single policy, just imagine how complicated it will be. It can take a week, sometime a month to change just one new policy, adding one new policy, or just I need to change the IP address of SNMP, my monitoring tool. It will be complicated. So in modern way, if I will talk about the modern way of managing WAN edge devices, this WAN edge devices is called SD-WAN, right? For the SD-WAN, we will have some controllers like vManage and vSmart. These two are again your virtual appliance, right? So in SDN, we'll talk about virtual appliance, that is my vManage and vSmart. This is for WAN edge device only to manage this router. What about these LAN devices, Praphul? To manage similarly these LAN devices through software from one centralized location like WAN edge device management, we will have again one controller called Catalyst Center, or you can say DNA Center, Digital Network Architecture. In the CCNA syllabus, you will find these all components. So we'll learn about DNA Center. By the way, Cisco has changed the name of DNA Center. In today's time, we are saying Catalyst Center. Earlier, it was DNA Center, right? One is vManage, one is vSmart, and one is DNA Center. And in the data center, to connect your end devices, you will have different switch, leaf switch and a spine switch. To manage leaf and spine devices, again we will have one controller called Epic, right? So I will talk about Epic also here. So these are our virtual appliance, right? But from where, Praphul, we will start? We'll start from the NIC. We already talked about NIC. We'll talk about switching in detail later after the routing. First, we are going to focus on this component, router, right? First, we'll understand the basic packet flow, how two computers are going to communicate, those all things. After that, router, right? We'll master the router, physical router. And as soon as you will become expert in the routing, like the configuration of router, managing the router, yes, manually, no time talking about through vManage, the modern way. I'm talking about the traditional way first. Once you will have good understanding of router, I will use that as a reference to teach you all other components, whether it is switching, firewall, access point, WLC, vManage, vSmart, DNA Center, or Epic controller. It will be very easy for me to teach you this all in just 2 months. I need your 1 month just to teach you the router. Because here I am going to make a strong foundation, right? So everyone, the first module is the most important module of our course. The rest all module will be very easy for you if you will understand the first module, which is routing. If I will talk about the course, like how I am going to cover these all things, so let me tell you that also. First, I am going to teach you the some basic components and basic concepts of networking, or you can say introduction to networking. After that, I will teach you router and routing. Then I will teach you switches, different kinds of switches, layer 2 switch, layer 3 switch, manageable switch, unmanageable switch, and all switching protocols. In routing, all the routing protocol. Routing comes from router only, right? And when I am saying router, that means I am talking about layer 3 device. It is not only the router, it can be firewall also. on every firewall you will find a virtual router. So routing concept is going to be same there. If you know how to configure routing on Cisco router, you can configure routing on firewall as well. You can configure routing on MLS switch, multi-layer switch also. On any layer 3 device, routing is going to work exactly same. Routing, switching, and after that IP version 6. We'll see the routing and switching with IP version 6. Right now here I will talk about IP version 4 only. These two will take 2 months for me. 2 months. But in this 2 months you will have a strong foundation in routing and switching. With the help of that, first routing, and based on routing knowledge I will teach you the switching, and based on routing and switching knowledge, within 1 month I will teach you IPv6, means all types of routing protocols in IPv6 implementation. I will teach you the wireless networking. I will teach you the virtualization. I will teach you the SDN, software defined networking, whether it is SD-WAN. Guys, don't think like the detail of SD-WAN. Will not configure any lab of SD-WAN. You will understand the theory. Theory part is only there, and even we don't need to master SD-WAN for now. After NANP, you can go for SD-WAN separately. SD-WAN is a dedicated different course. Like you have CCNP in core, CCNP NRC, we have CCNP SD-WAN as well. Right? Then ST access, how ST access components are working and what are the components in ST access, and ACI means APIC controller. Then automation. These all will take 1 month. Why? Because you will be knowing many things before starting IPv6. Right here. These two are the foundation. Right? And so many labs are there. If I will talk about the routing now, if I am going to open the routing, in the routing first we'll understand router. What is router? How router works? Which table router maintained to forward the traffic? What is routing table? How routing table looks like? How router make entry in the routing table? Each and everything. Then routing. Routing means layer 3 forwarding. Layer 3 forwarding means forwarding traffic based on layer 3 address. What I told you, there are two types of address, MAC address and IP address. Your MAC address is layer 2 address and IP address is
Layer 3.
Layer 3 address means forwarding data. Data can be anything, video, voice, text, file, or HTTP traffic, internet traffic, web traffic, doesn't matter. Forwarding data based on IP address is called routing. We'll not talk about the MAC forwarding, layer 2 forwarding. After routing, we'll discuss about that. Routing. And in the routing, we have two types of routing. A static routing, as I told you, all the tasks can be performed in two ways, manually and automatically. In manual way, engineer will add the route, will configure the routing manually, and in dynamic way, we will configure a routing protocol. So we have some dynamic routing protocols like RIP. I will start with RIP. Even RIP is not important. I think not in your syllabus as well. But sometimes it's important to learn other protocols. Like as I told you, my goal is not just to cover the CCNA plus CCNP syllabus. My goal is to put something significant in your hand at the end of this training program. That's why I will cover RIP also here. After the RIP, we have EIGRP protocol, then we have OSPF protocol, then we have BGP protocol. And then we have IS protocol. We will have the introduction of IS, but mastery of these three protocols, EIGRP, OSPF, and BGP. The configuration, basic, working, troubleshooting, redistribution, advanced redistribution, default information propagate, route filtering, optimization of all the protocols, how you will keep your routing table fair and clean and clear. When you will optimize your network, it will perform well. It will return you the best performance. It is not like just enabling the OSPF or BGP on the router. There are so many other things. This will be our goal in the routing module. Similarly, in the switching module, first we will learn the switch. What is switch? Then we will talk about switching. Switching means again layer 2 forwarding traffic based on MAC address, and then switching protocols. Like here I told you some routing protocol. Similarly, in the switching, we will discuss switch, then switching and switching protocols like CDP or LLDP, DTP, VTP, STP, Ether channel, right? SPAN, port security, DHCP snooping, ARP inspection, right? I am not covering all the topic because might be possible some are not familiar with this all topic. So keep it aside for now, the switching and other topics as well. Just focus on this module for now. But before starting routing, guys, at least you should have idea about the forwarding, like how machine is going to generate the traffic, how machine is going to look up for destination MAC address, how it will add the source MAC, destination MAC. Okay, so we'll proceed from here tomorrow, and then maybe in next class, means day after tomorrow or after 2 classes, we will be starting our course with the most important component networking device, router. Hope it is clear. Now, if anyone have anything in your mind, please ask, guys. I'm done from my side for today now.
We are listening to you. I think it's very clear the path we must go through. So we've been here every day to learn something new from you.
Most important thing is, you know what, here you have to be connected with me for 2 hours every day. As soon as you will disconnected with the topic in the class, it will be very difficult for you to sit. Understand, sitting 2 hours in front of laptop is not easy. You can only sit if you are understanding, if you are learning, right, if you are getting everything. So as soon as anything, any word is not clear to you, stop me, because our entire course will be connected from previous classes each other. If you have not understood something today, means you will not understand anything tomorrow. It is like that. And you can only sit for 2 hours with me if you are understanding it. Earlier, when I was teaching, right, in the beginning, if there was 20 students, so at the last, every time, in most of the time, in the last, like 50% student was listening me. Why? Maybe at that time I was not able to connect with all, right, not able to deliver the training in this way. But nowadays, every time I see the strength is same. But again, I am requesting you all, at any moment, if you feel that I am disconnected from the topic, stop me and ask me to repeat. This is very important, sir.
I have a question. Do you follow any books or no need?
Notes. In the
Books.
class, in the
Reference
class, you
books.
just need to focus on my board, nothing, because whatever I am going to
No,
write
no,
on the
no.
board,
Before. And then after class or after?
No, nothing. See, whatever I am writing here on the board are already in my notes, which I am going to share with you. And even after the class, today is not important like this note paint file, but every day we'll save this and we'll share with you. Okay, so I have discussed the MAC address. Even I am going to send it. Let me show you how you will get the classroom note as well every day. Like here I can say day 1 notes, and in the download day 1 month, let's say. Now see, I will share it with you and you can open it in your device. See, it is very clear in HD. Okay, and you can keep it for future. So this is just so that you will not make note in the class. In the class, just you need to focus on a screen.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Okay. So sorry. So what I am saying that, see, like whatever I have discussed today in the paint, so I have saved that here and I will share this with you, and you can go through it to revise and you can keep it for future. So no need to make note during the class. Whatever I will type here or draw the diagram in the class, you will have that after the class. In the class, just focus on board, try to understand. If anything is not clear, stop me and ask. So simple. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
So we have to download all the software ourselves, or we'll get it from you? Or...
No. I will share the video which will guide you to set up it,
No, no,
right?
no. Okay. Yeah.
We'll share the software as well, right? You don't need to download anything from the Google. See, if you are going to download or set up, let's say EVNG through Google, then later when you will share the project like the lab, we cannot open it in our EVNG. For that, we both should have same routers, same switches. So we will share you each and everything through which you can set up your softwares. You need to import my router, you need to import my switch in GNS also and in EVNG also. For packet tracer, you can simply download from the Google. It's even I am using the updated version, and if you are going to download it, definitely you will download the latest version. Any suggestion for me for the training, guys? Like I should go bit fast, bit slow, or any suggestion? All well?
All good.
Victor, is there any suggestion from your side for me?
No. Like you say, we must see the what you share, nothing else. No need to take notes, anything, but stop you when you isn't clear.
Great.
When a point isn't clear, we can.
You understood. Yes, exactly. So, Dibyam, WLC is a wireless controller used to manage multiple access points. Right? If we have lots of access points in the company, managing them manually one by one will be difficult. Right? So these are controllers. We will learn it later.
Sir, what is the difference between a bridge and a hub?
Bridge is similar like your switch. Nowadays we are not using bridge, not using hub. We are using only switch. Okay then, guys, that's all. Thank you again, everyone, for joining us. And Let's connect tomorrow again at same time, 8 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thanks all. Bye.
Most welcome, sir. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Good night. We'll see
Thank
you
you, sir.
tomorrow. And
Thanks.
about the
Thank you.
recording of today class is required. Today class is available on YouTube. From tomorrow class will be not available on YouTube. So I will be sharing the recording to you guys in the again WhatsApp group. Everything will be shared in your WhatsApp group. Within 10 minutes, my team is going to share one drive link from where you can download the notes. But again, now you don't need to download the notes. I will tell you which notes you need to download now and which notes you need to download later. If you are going to download lots of books here, lots of notes here, then I am damn sure you are not going to read it, right? So let's download single one which is required for this particular module, right? So this is the reason why I have not shared the drive link till now, because first I want to discuss that what you need to download from there. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, play.
Okay, sir. Bye bye now.